What's going on, guys? Welcome to today's video where we're going to be working on the War Wagon, the Cutthroat Cutlass, and the Rat Rod. So we got all the cars lined up, pretty much ready to be worked on. We've got to do some moving around. I think the first thing we're going to tackle is washing this car, and then we'll get the Cutlass back on the ground. I'm having trouble with the fuel line that's up under the floor pan, so we're going to try to work on that, get it out. And then this thing will take its place. It will move back. We'll pull the cab, move the chassis out the way, and move the bed in there too. So that way it's kind of stored. Everything else is stored in my little side shop over there. So, and then we'll just roll this chassis out of the way somewhere. I am going to keep the tires and wheels though, because I do like them. And oh, I haven't even told you what I'm planning on doing with this thing. So I'm tearing it down, and I want to kind of go a different direction with it. So I'm keeping the bed, or I'm sorry, the cab and the bed, but I'm gonna build everything else pretty much brand new. I've got a few ideas for it. I'm pretty excited to start on it, but this thing has to get ready for the race season because we're still waiting on the motor, and that thing is still got to be built. So this one's kind of like third in line for projects, but I'm working on it when I can. So we'll see you guys in a minute. Piling this shit all over. We also keep fly band-aids. Trying to make him feel we went from a washing day to a burning the race car day. Pilot.
Oh my baby. I can't wait.
Well, they had a couple. Got it so much better. Thank you, Dylan. I'm not gonna lie, man. I ain't ready. You already went to the roof. Yeah. I'm ready to go. Trust me, I'll float. First day. I'm new. I don't know what to do. I tell you what, man, it does look a hell of a lot better though now. It makes no sense to me. I don't know. Hey, that's the philosophy I have too. I just want to get up here. I thought you were the leader of this idiot. So Joey and Kareem, they are pulling some of the leftover fuel lines in this car that are kind of difficult to get to. I'm gonna cut off the exhaust hanger brackets while they're doing that. They right up there. There's only a couple of them.
Yeah. Only got two.
That's all I got over here.
Two?
Yeah. Dude, we have a straight up bobsled. We can put a jack on and lift, come back a little bit. Right there. Good. Perfect.
That's all it's got.
Yeah, this is where it's going to twist. Yeah, we need a way more solid frame. And then we'll just get let's just get high enough to get that. Hey. Slide. Got it. I swear to God, that piece of metal as I cut it.
You want this? Got you two bucks.
Ain't nothing in there. Oh yeah. I love ratcheting wrenches.
You got that original protection.
So I'm trying to figure out if this is camper flooring or whatever it is. It's from 1980s.
It is. That wallpaper film.
Yeah, that's wallpaper. Yeah, dude. Hey.
You got it?
Very good. Alright, chicken right there.
If he can
I
gorilla
think
glue
it's all that spray and insulation.
yeah, gorilla glue it. Sweet Jesus.
It's off.
So there's some of the spray foam. That's not all of it though.
Oh, God.
I can see your fingers, Andrew.
Hang on, you stuck on the leaf. Can you shift it over in? Yep. There we go. There's that. Good job, boys. What are you shaking your head for? Lift it up, done, and roll the chassis out of the way. Can you pick it up? Alright, you got it. You got it. You got it. Yeah, pick it up. So Joey's actually cooking burgers now on my grill, I might add.
Oh, do you mind if I cook burgers on your grill?
No. So we got the cab sitting up here. It's pretty much to start getting ready to work on. Same thing with the bed here. The cutlass is, other than the A post, which are right here, we need to trim those down. Other than that, it's ready to go to John Klein Race Cars, get a cage put on it. The old hot rod chassis, we're going to pull the motor and transmission for a buddy of mine, and then I'm not really sure what we're going to do with the rest of the chassis, but the race car's clean. I think the engine's on the dyno today, hopefully. If not, whatever. We'll get to it when we can. But guys, other than that, we actually got a lot of work done thanks to Joey and Kareem, wherever he went.
You gotta put a bell on him or something.
Yeah, there's Hefty Boy. But anyways, guys, I want to say a quick shout out to our Patreon supporters. Thank you guys so much for what you do and what you continue to do. We need to make the video about how our Patreon has changed now. We'll get to that eventually. But other than that, guys, that's all I have for today. So thank you so much for watching the video. And as always, we will see you in the next video.